If you want to grow as a creator, you don't need more posts. You need content that goes viral and spread wildfire. Here is what viral content really means and how you can create it. Stay glued to your phone. You don't want to miss this. Let's go. First, you need to understand what virality really means. The word comes from virus. In common terms, a virus is a disease people catch and pass on to others. Now, think about it like COVID-19. One person gets it and passes it to the next. And before long, it spreads everywhere. That's what viral means online. Content that people can't help but pass along. The engine that makes your content go viral is the share button. Likes makes you feel good. Comment shows people are listening. But share are what take your post to the right audience. Every share pushes your content into a new circle, a new network, a new audience. That's how virality happens. There are two main ways your content gets shared and spread. The algorithm pushes it when it thinks the content is top-notch. People share it. Let's start with the algorithm. For the platform to push your content, your account must be recommendable. That means a clean profile, no spammy behavior, consistent posting, content people engage with. If the system sees your account as trustworthy, it will start showing your post to more people. The second and the most powerful way people see your content is when people share it. For someone to hit the share button, the content must resonate with them. It has to feel like this speaks my mind. My friend needs to see this. This is too good to keep to myself. People don't share random posts. They share what connects with their thoughts, feelings, or conversation happening right now. There are 4 main types of content people can't resist sharing. 1. Fascinating content. Things that makes people go wow. Example, AI creating arts, robots doing human tasks. 2. Emotional content. Things that makes people feel strongly, anger, sadness, or even laughter. Sometimes people even disagree with it, but that sparks sharing too. Educational content, posts that teach, reveal secrets, or simplify complex ideas. People love sharing knowledge that makes them look smart. 4. Inspiring content, stories of growth, success, or resilience. Anything that makes people say, if they did it, so can I. This category fuels the shares button, and sharing is the heart of virality. So the big question, how can you actually make content that goes viral? It's not magic. It's not luck. There are 4 things you must get right. The first step to go viral is to find the conversation. Viral content doesn't live in isolation. It lives where people are already paying attention. When everyone was talking about COVID, posts about COVID blew up. Today, billions are talking about AI. That is why AI-related content spread fast. Share AI content, whether tips, video, or tools, it blows up. If your content connects to what people are already discussing, it rides the waves. If not, it gets ignored. Relevance is step 1. The second step in going viral is keeping it simple. Complicated idea doesn't spread. Simple ones do. Think about meme. One picture, one short capture, millions of shares. Why? Because anyone can get it in 2 seconds. If someone can't explain your post to a friend in 1 sentence, they won't share it. The clearer your content, the faster it spread. Simplicity is the multiplier. The third step to going viral is trigger emotion. People don't share information, they share feelings. When was the last time you hit share? It was probably because something made you laugh, cry, get angry, or feel inspired. Emotion is the power that fuels the shares button. No emotion equal to no share. If you want your content to spread, make people feel something. The first step to going viral is package it well. Two people can post the same idea, but only one goes viral. Why? Packaging. A viral post has a strong hook. First line grab attention. A clear structure, easy to follow, simple language, no jargon. A call to action, invite people to share or engage. Great content poorly packaged dies. Average content well packaged grows, explodes. Presentation is everything. So how do you actually create posts that goes viral? Here is a quick recap. 1. Find a conversation. Look for what everyone is talking about right now. It might be a weekly trend or a global moment. Infuse it into your niche and you ride the wave. Example, AI. Billions of people are discussing it. So AI related posts spread fast. If people can't explain it in one line, they won't share it. 2. Always keep it simple. The clearer your content, the faster it spread. 3. Trigger emotion. People don't share information, they share feelings. Make them laugh, cry, get angry, or feel inspired. 4. Package it well. Clear flow and simple words. Call to action. Good packaging can turn an average idea into a viral one. That is the real formula.